On this part, we are going to talk about the ngIf structural directive. So for that, let us go to our project. Now here, the first thing that I'll do is that in the home component.ts, I'm going to add a property. I'm going to name this property is visible, and then I'm going to set it to false. And then go to the home component.html, and in here I'm going to add the ngIf directive. And here, to use the ngIf directive, you just need to type in here star, and then ngIf is equal to is visible. So if the is visible is true, then we are going to render the h2 DOM. Otherwise, this one will not be rendered in the view. So let us go to our app. And here on the app, you can see that we do not see the h2 tag. So let us just go back to the code one more time. So in here now, you can either add the exclamation mark to make this true, or you can just go to the home component, change is visible to true, save the changes, go back to the app. You can see that the h2 tag is rendered successfully.